Hey, it's Business Coach Steve here, and I have a question for you. Are you guilty of promoting team members who really excel at their job into managerial roles only to see them struggle in their new position? Well, today I am going to teach you why this happens and some strategies on how to solve this issue. You see, many business owners assume that a great employee is automatically going to make a great manager. But management is a skill that needs to be learned, and most importantly, it needs to be practiced. These issues I've seen over the past 20 years of business coaching is that a lot of businesses don't have a system to train their managers. They just wing it when it comes to management. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to begin to transform those good employees into great managers so you can create a more competent and productive team. You see, untrained managers can lead to unmotivated teams. Poor management leads to increased time and really spent in fixing errors and trying to come up with and put out fires that are happening all over the place. Failing to train your managers properly also results in higher turnover rates. On the other hand, when you train your managers, this boosts teams' morale and most importantly, their productivity. Effective management it reduces the need for constant problem solving. And I guess the bottom line is that investing in management training leads to a long-term business growth. I'm going to share a story with you about a client of mine, and she promoted one of her top employees into a managerial role, thinking it was really the next natural progression. How many of us have done that, right? But soon team performance started to plummet. This employee was great at managing herself, but no one really taught her how to manage others. See, so then what she did was she enrolled her into our 12-week management master class and with some really targeted management training. We turned it around and now her team is more productive, it's more competent, and most really importantly, is more productive than ever. So now they actually have an actual management system in place to create that competent and productive team. So, how can we make this happen in your business? Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to look at your own leadership and management style. Are you the actual bottleneck in your business? Are you constantly stepping in to solve problems yourself, becoming the bottleneck itself? Right? This only overburdens you, but it also stifles your managers and your team's growth because no one is training them to be problem solvers. So you need to start delegating and empower your managers to make decisions. Provide them with a systematic approach to managing this team. This shift is going to be a challenge at first, right? And most change is, but it's essential for your long-term business success. The next thing you need to do is really avoid asking the why questions, right? When things go wrong. This question often leads to excuses and blame, and that doesn't help anybody. Instead, start asking forward thinking questions like, what steps can we take right now to fix this problem in the next hour? Or how can we have prevented this from happening again in the future? These questions encourage problem solving, accountability, and most importantly, productivity. These are learning based questions. And finally, the last one is planning is crucial. Without a clear plan, your team lacks direction and purpose. Make sure your managers really understand the overall business goals and most importantly, how their role contributes to achieving them. You have to regularly review these plans and really adjust when necessary. When everybody is aligned, productivity, competency, and really morale is going to start to soar in your business. It's almost like magic. But by focusing on these management skills, you'll create a well-oiled machine where your managers and your team are more competent, more productive, and most importantly, your business begins to really thrive. So good managers create happy teams. Happy teams create happy customers, and happy customers will drive your business forward to the success that you are looking to achieve. So if this resonates with you and you want to really look to see how you can implement these strategies in your business, book a strategy session with me. We're going to take a look and see maybe if our 12-week management masterclass is right for you. So let's really start to work together to create a management system for you in your business. So go ahead, click on the link below to schedule your call. I look forward to talking to you soon.